मित्रों नमस्कार। क्लास 9th की मैथमेटिक्स के चैप्टर नंबर 10 सर्कल्स में वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक दैट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थ्योरम पर आज हम लोग यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे। तो दिस इज़ द वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट the statement of the theorem. You will get two types in the examination. Number one, prove that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Otherwise you will get proof that the angles at the circumference subtended by the same arc are equal. So you will get this theorem two types in the examination. What is the meaning of this theorem and what is the given, what is the requirement? There, according to the statement, angles in the same segment of a circle, it means circle is given. So you will write in the given that a circle with center O and same segment angles, it means two angles is given, otherwise more than two angles also you will take. So let us two angles is given. So what two angles? Let us these two angles, as you can see in the diagram. Yes, let us, this is a diagram and here you can draw this a line segment, means join A to C, then you will get two segments. One is the minor segment and second one is the major segment, as you see, just one. Okay, so this one is the minor segment and this one is the major segment. So in this segment angle is given that angle ABC and second angle is given that angle ADB. So these two angles are equal. This is the requirement. So how can we prove? So first one is angle ABC and second one is angle ADB. So we will write in the given that two angles is given, angle A B C and angle ADB. These two angles are given. Then we will prove that is angle ABC just equal to angle ADB. This is our requirement. हमको ये प्रूव करना है कि ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल होंगे. देन हाउ कैन बी प्रूव डियर? सो यू कैन सी जस्ट नाउ, लेट अस हियर इज टू एंगल्स इन दिस डायग्राम, एंगल CED and angle CFD, and both angles have the equal measurement of 55 degree and 55 degree. So you can see if F is moving for here, then this is 55 degree and this angle is also 55 degree. Can you see and try to understand everything? We have to move these angles, then these angles is always 55 degree in the same segment. Okay, this is easily you can see that in everywhere in the same segment these angles are 55 degree. But if we move in the second segment, then the angle is not equal. One angle is 235 degree and second angle is 55 degree. But if we move in the same segment, then they always are equal. Okay, so how can we prove that these two angles are equal in the same segment? Once again, if we move this angle F in the second segment, then again this is 235 degree, not equal. And if we move angle E in the second segment, then this is again 235 degree and one angle is 55 degree. It is not same. But if we move in the same segment, then this is 55 degree. Okay, In the other way, you can see that here are two angles given just here. Angle just here in the same segment, but the circle is not same. So you can see that angles are not equal. Just you can see, we move anywhere, then angle is all angle changed here. The value of angle changed at every point, but the angle are not same. Why? Because these angles are not in the same circle. But if we take just into the same circle, then you can see that angles are equal, 47 degree and 47 degree. Again, you can see this is not same because these angles are not in the same segment of a circle. But now you can see that angle C is 49 degree, and if we move this angle D just in the same circle, then you will get this is again 49 degree, or this is, you can see that now angle is 49 degree. Everywhere this is 49 degree if these angles are in the same circle. Okay, let us, this angle is 66 degree, and if we take this angle D just in the same circle, then this is also 66 degree, because these two angles are in the same circle and in the same segment. Now you can see if this angle is here in the other segment, then these two angles are not equal. One angle is 111 degree and second angle is 66 degree. So you have to prove that angles in the same segments are not equal. Angles in the different segments are not equal. So you can see that in everywhere these angles are not equal. But if we move in the same segment, then you can see that these angles are equal, 66 degree and 66 degree. Anywhere, let us this is the position. So this is the angle 67 degree. So you can see that angle D is also 67 degree. And if this angle is 80 degree, then you can see that angles D is also 80 degree. You can take any position. Let this one is 77 degrees. So if the circle is same and segment is same, then this is also 77 degree. Okay, angle C and angle D both are equal. You can take anywhere. Let us, this is just simultaneously, this is 79 degree, 79 degree. So how can we prove that these two angles are equal? Practically you can see here these angles are always equal. Here you can see that this is 82 degree and second one is also 82 degree. But if we take this angle C in the second segment, then this is not equal. Okay, this is the same circle but the segment is different. So you can see that these two angles are not equal because this is the different segment. But if we take the same segment, then this angle is, you can see that always equal, 82 degree, 82 degree. But if we extend this angle 73 degree, angle D is 73, so you can see that angle C is also 73 degree. It means we can say that angles in the same segments are always equal. If we take angle C in this position, then we can say that angle D is also in this position is equal, 74 degree and 74. Why? because these two angles are in the same segment. So how can we prove? Let us see the proof of this theorem. Here, that is, two angles is given, angle ABC and angle ADC, and here we will prove that angle ABC just equal to angle ADC. How can we prove? So dear, let us start the proof of this theorem. We will take this diagram as you can see. Here are two angles ABC and ADC just in the same segment. How can you say this is the same segment? Because AB is a chord of this circle, and blue color you can see that this is a minor segment, and yellow color you can see that this is a major segment, and angle B and angle D both are in the major segments. These two angles lies in the major segment, that is in the same segment. So we will prove here that is angle A degree and angle B degree both are equal. Why? Because these two angles lies in the same circle. So dear, for the proving of this theorem, we will join A to O and C to O. That is, we will join point A and point C to the center of the circle. So you know that a statement of theorem which you proved already, that angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So dear, according to this statement means, आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे सेंटर पे जो एंगल बना है वो एंगल O है, और सरकमफ्रेंस पे जो एंगल बन रहा है वो एंगल B है और एंगल D भी है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल टेक दिस एंगल B. एंगल B आप देखेंगे कि जो एंगल B सरकमफ्रेंस पे बना है और एंगल O ये आपका सेंटर पे बना है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्टेटमेंट वी कैन राइट दैट angle AOC just twice of angle ABC. So we will write this statement, that is angle AOC equal to twice of angle ABC. So dear, let us, this is the equation number 1. Okay, and these things you can see easily here. After that, again we can write that for the second things. You can see that here is angle AOC and second angle is given that here angle ADB. This is the angle at the circumference and this is angle at the center. So you can write that the relation, that is angle AOC equal to twice of angle ADC. So we will write here, that is angle AOC just equal to twice of angle ADC. This is the equation number 2. But you can see that here is in the left hand side of second equation AOC, and in the equation number 1 left hand side is again AOC. So you will put this value or compare these two equations, you will get, means you can write that from equation first and second, we get, that is dear, you can write that twice of angle ABC, just twice of angle ADC. And you can see that this angle, that is left hand side 2 and right hand side 2, is cancelled out. Finally you can write that angle ABC equal to angle ADC, and this is our requirement. So we can write that hence proved. And practically you can see that segment angle C and angle D, and we move this angle, then we can say that this angle D is always equal to the angle C if this is same circle and angles are in the same segment C. This is the point C here. So you can see that this angle is also equal if these angles are same, and if circles are same and segment are same, then these two angles are always equal. This is 74 degree and angle D is also 74. If we move angle C just like that, then you can see that this is also again 74, 74. If we see move in this position, then we can say that this is once again 74 degree and 74 degree if the circle is same and angles are in the same segment. So this is 74, 74. But if we move angle D, then you can say once again this is 74 degree and 74 degree if the angles are same, if the circles are same and they lies in the same segment. So both angles are equal, that is 74. Now if we move, let us, this is angle 110 degree, then you can see that angle D is 101 degree and angle C is also 101 degree. But if we move angle C in the second segment, then you can see that the angles are not equal. One angle is 101 and second angle is 280. So these two angles are not equal. But if we move this angle C in the same segment, in the same circle, then you can say that both angles are 101 degree. So we can say that anywhere of angle C and angle C situated in the same segment, then they are always equal. You can see that now in this position both angles are 101 degree. And if we take this position, then you can see that once again these two angles are equal. Yes, this is 66 degree and this is again 66 degree if they are in the same segment and in the same circle. So angle C is 66, angle D is also 66, and in this position you can see that angle D and angle C is also 66 degree. So this is the activity, and if the position of angle D is that and angle C is, so we can say that this is again 66 degree. So finally we can say that angle in the same segments are always equal. So dear, thank you so much for taking the interest in this video.